Hello, Ranchview. My name is Mike, and I'm going to explain to you how to put these zeros, which were originally x equals 3, x equals -2, x equals 1, into standard form. So, since we already know what x is, we try to figure out what would make them 0, and that's what we will put this into y equals. So the first one would be y equals x minus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. To make this simple, as you know, multiply 2 at a time. So we're going to have x minus 3 times x plus 2. So we're going to get x squared, plus x2x, negative 3x, since we're multiplying those together, and then negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So parentheses, and then on the outside to the right, we're going to write x minus 1 to multiply those together. Alright, so we're going to have x squared times x, that's going to equal x cubed. We're going to have x squared times negative 1, and that's going to be negative 1x squared. So then we're going to have 2x times x, and that's going to include plus 2x squared. 2x times negative 1 is going to be negative 2x. Alright, so we're going to have negative 3x times x, and that's going to be negative 3x squared. We have negative 3x times negative 1, and that's going to be plus 3x right there. And then we're going to have negative 6 times x, that's going to be negative 6x. Negative 6 times negative 1 is a positive 6. So, we're done. No, we're not done. You know why? Because we still have to simplify. Alright? So, x cubed stays the same because there's nothing else on this that has 3 x's. Alright? So, we're going to start with the squares first. So, it's going to have negative 1x. We have plus 2x. And then we have negative 3x. So, negative 1x squared plus 2x squared is what? 1x squared. Plus minus 3x squared would be 2x squared, which is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared. So we already have x cubed minus 2x squared right now. So since we already finished with those squares, we're going to cross those out so you don't get confused. Next, we're just going to work with just the x's, all right? So negative x plus 3x minus 6x. What would that be? Negative 2x plus 3x would be 1x, all right? So minus 3x, minus 6x would be, you're right, that's the buzzer, 5x, all right? So we're going to have 5x right here. And then 6 is all by itself. Just put him at the end because he's nobody, all right? I'm going to put him right there. And this, you guys, is the answer to that equation in standard form. It's a great day to be a wolf. Ranchview High School. Turn off. Turn off.